Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we let go of all that no longer serves us and welcome in the new. Take a moment to get settled, to simply be in this space, present, here, now. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the weight of your body supported by the surface beneath you. Breathing in, and as you exhale, releasing any tension you're holding in your body. With every breath, you are welcoming peace. With every exhale, you are releasing what no longer serves you. Breathing in and breathing out. Deepening into yourself in the present moment, every step of the way. We'll begin by tuning in with each energy center, aligning yourself with the flow of release and renewal. Bringing attention to the base of your spine. Breathe into your root chakra. Feel the warmth and the strength there as a beautiful red energy swirls around you, grounding you deeply to the earth. This is your foundation. As you breathe, imagine releasing any fears or doubts you've been holding here. Breathing in as the red fades away and a beautiful orange wraps around you, moving your awareness to your sacral chakra, your space of creation. This is your center of creativity and flow. Breathe into this space, allowing any stuck emotions or limiting beliefs to dissolve as you exhale, allowing this nurturing orange energy to fill and sustain you. And as it too fades away, replaced by an electric yellow, this warm yellow energy brings life into your body as you bring your attention to your solar plexus, your core. Feel the warmth of your inner fire. With each breath, let go of any need for control or perfection. Release the expectations you've placed upon yourself and others, and simply standing in your sovereignty, your autonomy. Feel the confidence surge within you as this yellow energy soothes your soul. A vibrant green now makes its way through your heart space, breathing deeply into your heart chakra. This is where the love resides. As this gentle green energy moves through your system, with every exhale, let go of old wounds, past hurts, and anything that no longer serves the expansion of your heart, allowing yourself to reside fully in the frequency of love. A bright blue energy now courses through you, gently bringing your focus to the throat chakra. Feel the openness here, the potential for your voice ringing true with your authentic soul essence. Breathing in, expanding into your truest, most authentic nature. And as you exhale, releasing any unspoken truths or fears around expressing yourself fully, as this bright blue energy permeates your being. The blue deepens steadily into a vibrant indigo as you shift your awareness to your third eye. This is the center of your intuition, your inner knowing. As you breathe in, allowing clarity to enter, as this indigo blue energy creates space for the all-knowing I within. With each exhale, letting go of the fog, confusion, or doubt, resting in this beautiful blue energy. With a final burst of color, a beautiful violet penetrates your energy field as you turn your attention to your crown chakra at the top of your head, breathing into this space of divine connection, allowing the violet energies to surge through you, awakening you to the divinity you always are, always have been. As you exhale, letting go of anything blocking your connection to your higher self and the universal flow. Breathing in deep, all chakras fully aligned, standing in your power. Breathing in, I invite you to imagine yourself walking through a beautiful forest at twilight. The air is cool and fresh, the trees whispering ancient secrets as they sway gently in the breeze. With each step, you feel lighter, more present in this sacred space. The path beneath your feet is soft, and as you walk, you notice the earth absorbing all of your worries, your doubts, and the burdens you've been carrying. In the distance, you see a glowing light beckoning you forward. You feel a deep sense of peace and curiosity as you approach. As you draw closer, you see that this light is coming from a sacred place, a clearing in the woods with a gentle stream flowing through. The sound of the water soothes you, washing away any remaining tension in your body. This space feels familiar, as though it's a sanctuary that belongs to you and you alone. You step into the clearing, and here you find a stone altar. This altar holds all the things you've been carrying: old stories, patterns, relationships, fears, anything that no longer serves you. With a deep breath, you step closer to the altar. One by one, you place these burdens on the altar. And as you do, a warm breeze sweeps through the clearing, gently lifting them from the altar, dissolving them into the air. You watch as they fade away, released from your being, no longer tied to your journey. Feel how light your body becomes as you let go. Breathe into this newfound space, this openness that now exists within you. As the last of your burdens fade into the air, you notice a presence in the clearing. A guide appears, a beautiful being of light, an aspect of your highest self. They step forward with a soft smile, offering you a gift. This gift represents the new energies, opportunities, and truths that are ready to enter your life now. You receive this gift with open hands and an open heart. Take a moment now to listen, to receive any message this guide has for you as they speak directly to your soul, whispering words of wisdom, love, and guidance for the path ahead. Breathe in deep and listen to their message now. As you hold their message and this gift, you feel a sense of deep peace wash over you. You know that you have let go of all that no longer serves you, and you have made space for the new blessings and opportunities that are aligning with your highest good. Take a deep breath in, anchoring this moment of clarity, peace, and renewal. Exhale, feeling grounded and whole. And when you are ready, thank your guide, knowing you can return to this sacred space whenever you need. Slowly begin to make your way back along the path. With each step, you feel lighter, more free, and more open to the beauty of what is to come. As you return to your body, begin to notice the sensation of the earth beneath you again, the rise and fall of your breath. As you breathe in deep, remembering the beautiful and sacred message you received today, as you wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this deep sense of release and renewal with you throughout the day. Namaste.